In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple events in Google Calendar 2025 step by step. First, open your browser and head to Google. From the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the top right corner. This is the Google Apps launcher. Click it to reveal your Google tools, then choose Calendar. This takes you straight into Google Calendar on the web, which is the easiest place to quickly find and review multiple related events at once. Once Calendar loads, focus on the search bar at the top. This is where you'll type a keyword that appears in the titles or details of the events you want to gather. Think of it like a filter that temporarily pulls matching events into one view, so you can review them back to back without manually hunting through days or weeks. Type the name of the event you want to select. For example, if you regularly add study to your event titles, type study. As you type, you'll see a drop-down with suggestions. Click the suggestion for study to run the search. Google Calendar will show a list of all events related to that keyword. You can scroll through the results, and each one you click will open the event details or jump you to its date on the calendar. This is a quick way to group and work through multiple related events, even if they're spread across different dates. You can repeat the same approach with any other keyword. Try another common term you use, like meeting. Type it in the search bar, then click the suggestion for meeting. Again, you'll see all the events that match neatly gathered in one place. If you sometimes write meetings in plural, try both versions to catch everything. The search is flexible, so using consistent wording in your event titles helps a lot. A few quick tips as you go. Use clear, unique keywords that you include every time you create those events. Short tags like study or team meeting make future searches much easier. If your calendar is busy, give the results a second to load and scroll to review them all. Clicking a result won't lose your list. You can come back to the search results panel and open the next one. That's the process. Open Google, launch Calendar, use the search bar, type your event keyword like study, click the suggestion, and review the grouped results. Then do the same with another keyword, such as meeting, to quickly gather those events too.